y'all, welcome to What Chelsea Eats. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I want to talk to you about the difference between healthy food and healing foods. Healthy foods and healing foods. And you might be saying, what do you mean? Healthy food isn't healthy food, healing food? Well, there's a difference between eating healthy and then eating foods that are healing to help you to shrink fibroids, cysts, endometriosis, heavy bleeding, all the stuff that you want to get rid of. There's a difference between those two, and I want to explain the difference to you right now. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chelsea Knutson, and I'm a certified holistic health coach, and I help women shrink fibroids and heal womb issues using food, God's word, and herbs as medicine. All right, so let's just jump right into this topic. Everybody should be eating a healthy diet. We all need healthy food in order for us to thrive. Just like if you have your gas tank filled up, you're not going to fill it up with garbage. You're going to put actual gas in it because that's what it takes in order to make it run. To make things run properly is to use regular healthy food like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, grains, meats, and fish. Reality, you can eat healthy foods in that regard. But when you are trying to heal a condition, some of those foods that are in the healthy category need to be eliminated for a period of time while you're trying to heal. That's where my foods to avoid list comes in handy. So if you have not downloaded that foods to avoid list, then you need to download it right now. Go down in the description box below this video. It's free. Just download it and you will see all the foods that you need to avoid so that you can eliminate dis-ease in your body, so that you can shrink fibroids, so you can eliminate cysts, so you can get rid of endometriosis, so you can stop the heavy bleeding, whatever your issue is, or reverse high blood pressure, diabetes, whatever your inflammatory condition is in your body that has your body not feeling so hot. You need that list so you can start implementing what you need so that your body can start healing. Okay. Now, most of us don't even eat the healthy diet. Most of us eat a standard American diet, or depending on where you live, you might call it something else, but a diet full of fat, sugar, salt, a diet full of processed foods, snacks, chips, cakes. Like most of us eat that stuff as the majority, and then we throw in a few vegetables, and sometimes we don't drink enough water, and that is a completely unhealthy diet. You cannot get well. You can't even sustain your health long term by eating in that way. Okay. There are the people who don't have a healthy diet at all. There are people who have a healthy, balanced diet, which is great. And some of those people are still sick. So that means that they need to go on to a healing lifestyle. And a healing lifestyle is what I teach. And then sometimes you need to go even deeper than a healing lifestyle, so to speak. And that means sometimes fasting is involved. Sometimes doing 100% raw is necessary. Sometimes, fruit fasting or whatever your choice is for your healing modality. Sometimes those things are necessary. But what I want to say here, an example of a healing diet is drinking smoothies, drinking juices, eating a fruit bowl, making a detox soup, eating big bowls of salad, large quantities of greens, taking your herbs, taking whatever supplements are necessary. And I'm not a big proponent of a whole lot of supplements because I think that a lot of stuff on the market is garbage, and some of the stuff we just don't flat out need. Everybody has an opinion, but this is my opinion. I don't think we need all these supplements that they say we need to take, but some of us do need some supplements depending on where we are in our lives and what situations we have going on in our bodies. But if we're trying to heal, we need to be drinking smoothies and juices and eating salads and smoothie bowls and eating fruit and vegetables and nuts and seeds, and limiting all those heavy, starchy carbohydrates and things like that. And if you can go 100% raw for a period of time while your body is healing, if you don't decide to change that going forward, you do that for a minute so that you can heal. Now, one of the biggest questions that I get is, how do I do that? And quite frankly, it took me quite a while for me to get it down. It took me years actually for me to really get it down and get an understanding around it, because for so many years I was eating the standard American diet, and it was really the soul food American diet, because I ate lots of fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, pork chops. I mean, you name it, rice and gravy, all the stuff, cakes, pies, all that stuff. And I'm a good cook, so I used to cook all that stuff. And not only did I cook it, I ate it too, a lot in large quantities for years. And it took some time for me to shift my mindset on actually how to not eat those foods, you know? So, what do you do? Like, how do you change this? First of all, I have playlists on my YouTube channel that are linked down in the description box below, so you can see what kind of foods I'm talking about to eat to live a healing lifestyle. Secondly, I have ebooks on my website at whatchelseaeats.com /ebooks, but there is a link down in the description box where you can download ebooks. They are not expensive. They're pretty cheap. They'll give you a guideline as far as how, what your food should look like. Also, I have the Fibroid Detox workshop on demand that tells you everything that you need to do as far as healing these fibroids with the nutrition is concerned. Tells you how to detox your body, what to eat, all the stuff. It's down in the description box below. And you can use that as a way for you to get yourself set up so you can do this thing once and for all, and like no turning back. You can get well from whatever condition you're suffering with. And even though you might be coming in this as you got a womb issue, well, if you've got high blood pressure, if you've got diabetes, if you've got some other type of lifestyle related condition, you can start to reverse those things by putting these things into place, the things that I teach in that program. It's called the Fibroid Detox Workshop on Demand. And lastly, lots of you have been asking me for this, is I have a new 90-day coaching program. It's called the Fibroid Detox Collective. The Fibroid Detox Collective. This program is for like-minded women who want to heal womb issues, but they need the daily support in order for them to make that happen. And they need to be coached through this process while also having a community of people to walk through this healing journey with. And once you've gone through the Fibroid Detox Collective, if you still need help, I have the Fibroid Detox Academy that you can roll over into, where you can continue to get support for as long as you need it. So there you have it. There is a difference between eating healthy and eating a diet that is going to cause your body to heal. There's a difference. I don't really hear people talking about that too much. I've been coaching women since 2017 on healing fibroids, and there's a lot of coaches that have come up in that time, and I'm so grateful for them, because when I was going through this, when I was at the thick of it, there was nothing that I could find. There might have been one or two resources, but they didn't resonate with me, so I just didn't go that route. But I'm hoping that whether or not, if you need help, whether or not you choose any of my resources, choose whosever resources you need so that you can get the help you need. You do not have to be sick. You do not have to get cut on if you don't want to. You can get well. But it's going to take you making some decisions and making some choices that are going to cause you to have to change. And a lot of us don't like to change, including myself. I don't like to change. It's very difficult for me to change. But the reality is we got to do something if we want to get well. So I hope this has been helpful. If you like this video, like it. And if you know somebody it could help, please share it. If no one told you that they love you today, Chelsea in North Carolina loves you very much. And I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.